I'm back in Blighty, and so I'm haunting the car boots, and I found this picnic camp set, Hounslow. Although it's used, I thought I'd buy it and just see what it's like. Quality, practicality. Well, it's very practical. It's a two-person camp set, and I would say it's almost a family camp set because it's very generous in size. The bowls are, the max is 200 ml, two frying pans, 2 bowls. I think the litrage on this one is 2 litres and the other is fractionally less. It's a very practical outfit. It's sturdy as well. The aluminium itself is not flimsy, and it's certainly robust enough for camping. Very taken with the handle as well. This is a very practical handle. These types of camp cook sets come up in the summer and they're offered discounts, and Mountain Warehouse have them at the moment, and they are £9.99, £10, and I've got to say I think that's very good value. These they changed slightly over the years because this is a slightly older set, but they still retain 2 bowls and 2 frying pans and a handle, and that is extremely good value. It's going to pay for itself if you went out for the day just with making a cup of coffee. It's extremely practical. This one comes with a net bag. Some of them now come with a banding, and so it can be all self-contained. It can just Russian doll itself into one. These are remarkable. I love these. I love the concept that it all folds into one. And that is really a practical little piece of kit. So I would recommend at £10 to purchase, and I don't think it will pay dividends of 1,000%. It really will. You just have to use it for one day and it's paid for itself. It's also very handy for just keeping in the back of the vehicle along with your cooker, so that if any time you fancy a brew or a snack and you're out, it's always there. Very, very practical. The handle on itself, I'm very taken with that. It's a very robust handle. There is no apprehension that it's not going to be gripping bowls of boiling water securely. It's very, very well made, and this is certainly up to Trangia standards. Trangia obviously is the benchmark of aluminium stacking cookware. This is, I think, equal in quality. Smashing piece of kit, and I recommend you at £10 that you will never go wrong. It will give you years of service, and it just works. Simplicity, lovely concept, design and function. So check out eBay, Amazon, just put a search in for cookware in outdoor shops and see what comes up at £10. There is no need to pay any more than £10. That is my opinion. So, happy camping.